Hey guys, in this video we are going to see the secret formula of meditation. Some of you think that the meditation is just sitting and focusing on the breath, but it is actually going into the deep state called as dhyan. So when this dhyan can be achieved, so when you think of everything around you, so you are observing everything, but you are just doing nothing. So this is dhyan. So you can experience everything, but you are not involving in it. So while doing day to day work, you can think, you can observe your own actions, your surroundings, what is going on, what is not, what is the state, what you are thinking, what you are doing, what your actions are, what you are thinking, what people are talking. Just observe every moment. You can think of your actions that are present right now. What I am talking, you are listening, you are continue, you are thinking random thoughts, and thoughts are coming, thoughts are going, but you should observe each and every thought that came to your mind, and practice the meditation that is called live meditation, not like sitting and closing your eyes. You can also practice that, but this is live meditation, like you are observing your day to day walking, talking, your actions, your movement of your body, you are speaking, you are listening, what are surround actions in the surrounding, what is nature of surrounding. You are observing everything, and you are still doing things, but you actually know that you are looking to your own actions. So this is more powerful way to meditate. So I think you should do it every day while you are doing any actions. And if you got time, then please be seated, be close your eyes, and then practice the silent state of meditation. And if you are not if you cannot do the silent meditation, you can practice this actual live meditation, that you will be present at the moment, and you will observe every actions, every reaction, and your uh, reaction of your body, that you know everything about you and surrounding. This live meditation is like living at a moment. So don't worry about your past, don't worry about your future, just live at a moment, and without worrying about past and future. So you will not think that I was like this, I will be that. Like, you will not worry about your past or worry about your future. Just simply live at a moment, and see your actions, your body perform. So more and more you should be alert, you should be awake, and you should be conscious about your actions, what your body is doing, what the surrounding is actually doing. So this will improve your observation skills, and you will be more awake. The thing is, to more become alert or awake, you should be focused on your diet also. You should eat less, you should eat healthy, and you should practice more silence to observe more clearly and see the things that normally you could not. So you will be more enlightened, or you can feel the things that you normally would not. So in this meditation, you should act like third person watching you, because you are not your body. So this is very clear. So you should watch your body perform actions in the surroundings, which also you are observing your surroundings, you are also observing your actions your body is doing, and you are aware that this is movement, and if the moment is gone, then you should not worry about it. And what will happen next, don't think about that also. You should be at a moment. So this is more important thing. Many of you actually watch the Sadhguru videos, where he simply says simply sit and do meditation, and he's actually right. But you can meditate while you are not sitting, and you actually working your day to day works, and you are still meditating. How this is possible? You are doing works, but you are still doing nothing by observing that your actually body is doing the things, not you. You as a soul, you are doing nothing, but your actually body is performing the works for you, and you are just observing the natures of the work, and your organs are working, your brain is working, but not you working. So you are actually observing your surrounding, your actions, your work, but you are just there still. So this is the meditation I will talk about in this video. This is live meditation, and in the day to day life we are doing the works, and we are actually living in the present is the same thing I want to say. Living in the present, live meditation are the same. So actually you are at the moment, so you are watching at the moment. So if I am talking, then I am focusing what actually my body is talking. So I am actually still, I am watching, but my body is performing work, and I am just observing it. And this is this type of thing is called live meditation. So you are living in the present, you are at still, and you are doing day to day life works. So this will help you in your spiritual journey, I hope so. This meditation requires practice. The more and more you practice, the more you efficient you become, and more concentration you can add to this meditation. You will more observe clearly, you will be more still, and you observe your actions without any disturbances or any difficulties. You will see that how your body is performing more in the surroundings, what are actually surrounding. You will be conscious at the moment what are the actions going on in your surroundings, and your body is performing according to it. So you will be more efficient by doing this more and more. In the more you practice, the more you become expert in this live meditation. So uh, the practice is more important in this, and by practice your concentration will become strong, and you will become more, you will be able to go in the deep state easily. So this type of meditation, live meditation, I hope you will do it, and I hope it will help you in your spiritual journey. Thank you very much.